Hey Amaludians, welcome to one-on-one mentorship with Amaluded. In today's video, we are going to discuss about time frame. These are the elementary skills or informations or factors that you must understand about the market. The work of time frame, what does it represent in the market? Time frame is the duration it takes each candlestick in the market to form. Let me repeat myself again. Time frame means the duration it takes each candlestick in the market to form. Now, if you look at the time frame session here, look at my mouse cursor, you will see a drop down menu at the back of this 12-month time frame. If you click on it, it's going to bring down list of other time frames. You understand? You can add the time frame that you want to use. Maybe if you want to use 3 minutes, you can favorite it. You can click on this star icon, favorite it or non-favorite it. Whatever time frame that you want to use, you can favorite it so that it can appear here. Let's start from the 12-month time frame. Now, 12-month time frame. On the 12-month time frame, the meaning is that all the candlesticks here, or all the candles here, it took each candle to form. It took 12 months for each candlestick to form. Looking at this place, it took each candlestick 12 months to form. You can see this candlestick here. The meaning is that it took this particular candlestick to form 12 months. The next one, each candlestick that you come across on the 12-month time frame, it took each candlestick 12 good months to form. So if you scale down to monthly time frame, the meaning is that all the candlesticks, all the price action, all the candlesticks on monthly time frame, it took each candlestick 1 good month to form. 1 good month to form. All the candlesticks there. You understand? And if you look at the price session here at the right session here, you can see that this present bullish candlestick that is running on USD CHF, if you look at the right hand side, you understand, this price session, you can see that it remains 7 days before this present candlestick we finish. So all the candlesticks here, it took each candlesticks 1 good month to form. So that is the meaning of the monthly time frame. So let's get down to the weekly time frame. If you click here, you see weekly time frame. If you are not seeing weekly time frame on your own like this, you can come to this place and click on this down arrow, then favorite the weekly. Favorite weekly is going to appear. So any time frame that you want to see at this session, just go here, then click on favorite. Now on the weekly time frame, the meaning is that all the candlesticks here, it took each candlestick 1 week to form. You understand? This one week to form, 1 week to form, 1 week to form. All the candlesticks there, each of these candlesticks, it took each candlestick 1 good week to form. So if you scale down to the daily time frame as well, on the daily time frame, all the candlesticks you see here, each of the candlesticks use 1 good day or 24 hours to form. After 24 hours or after each day, another candlestick will form. After another day, another candlestick will form. Now, if we scale down to 4 hours time frame, the meaning of this time frame is that each candlestick on 4 hours time frame use 4 hours, 4 good hours to form. So let's say the present or the current time is 2 o'clock, and the formation of new candle starts by 2. So the time that the candle is going to close will be 6 p.m. Each candlestick on this 4 hours time frame formed using every 4 hours. The interval between each candlestick there is 4 hours. So if you scale down to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame, all the candlesticks there form every 1 hour. Then the lower time frame, which is a 30-minute, all the candlesticks here form every 30 minutes. Then the lower one 15 minutes. Then the next one 5-minute time frame. Each candlesticks form every 5 minutes. So these are the basic things that you must understand, so that when you are analyzing the market or when you are taking any information from the market, you'll be able to understand which of the time frame are you going to start with, whether from the monthly or from the weekly or from the daily or from 4 hour time frame, any of the time frame of your choice. So it depends on the market you are trading. Now, for the purpose of our one-on-one mentorship with Loaded, I want you to use this currency pair to practice all the time. It's a beginner-friendly pair, GPB USD. If you want to add it, come to this symbol icon here, and you click on it. It's going to bring a drop-down box. It's loading now. So it's going to load a drop-down menu. Yeah, a drop-down box. Then type the GPB USD. So the broker that you are going to use for this GPB USD is FXCM. Don't use Ohanda. Click on the first one, FXCM broker. Or if you want to add it properly under your watch list tab, come to the right upper corner section. At this upper corner section, click here to open this segment. So at the front side of watch list, click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, then click on all. Type the pair that you want to hide. In as much you know the symbol of the currency pair. So the one that I want you guys to use to practice all the time is GPB USD. So once you do that, then you click on the plus sign, because I've added this one already. If not, let's assume I'm adding it for the first time, you understand? So I'll just click on plus, add to watch list, click on plus. Once you click on plus, it's going to appear here. So, and if you want to arrange it, you can left click or hold your left click mouse down, then drag it to the top wherever you want to position the pair. So that is that about the time frame. Don't assume that this thing is simple. No, it's something that you have to practice. Spend more time with the charts. Try to understand the brain behind all this. Like I do tell you guys, there is much knowledge to acquire in repetition. Repeating the same thing, doing the same thing again and again. That is the fastest way to master any skills. So I want you to watch this video over and over. So I'm going to upload this video as lesson 10. You know, you have watched lesson 1 to 9. So I'm going to upload this one as lesson 10. So our next class is going to be lesson 11. See you later.